Welcome to CrossGems. In this video, we are going to show you how the related commands works. We are going to start to open the expanders of the main toolbar and we are going to select Trilogy. Let's resize the main gem to 4.8 and the distance to the ring to 3.8 mm. We open Side Gems, Options, and we modify the distance between gems to 0, the vertical distance to 0.6, and the size to 2.8. We go to the related commands and select Head. We go to the selector panel and select the side gems of our trilogy. So let's select a tab to the ring in the expander head and enable it. We open Gallery Rails to move the top rail vertical to 0.3. And modify the top rail size to 0.8. I want to thin prongs, so I'm gonna modify the top prong thickness and width to 0.75 and make a bit sharpness on the top of 0.7. So we confirm the head, and now modify the main head of our trilogy to let the rail at the same distance that the rail of the side gems. It's done, so confirm. We are gonna edit the trilogy to change the space between gems to less 0.1. We are gonna modify the side gems to 2.9 mm. We have our head, so we confirm. Let's create the ring Cathedral. We have to open the ring panel to select it. First, we open the bridge expander and we modify the distance and size to fit with the butt rail of the head. Now we fill the rail to thickness 1 mm, the bridge width 2 mm and the distance in 8.8. We change the butt and top profile and select the first in the list. The second step is modify the shoulders. We separate it, and then, as we did in the bridge, we are going to fit it to the top rail of the head. We rotate the shoulder to 63 degrees. Move the shoulder horizontal to 2.1, the shoulder vertical to less 2.2, and the smooth cap to 0.15. And change the top thickness to 0.9 and the top width 1.7. Now we open the related commands and select Gems and Curve. We disable both sides and we are gonna set the start point at 0.15 and the end point to 0.107. We resize the gems to 1 mm. We leave a space of 1.5 mm between the gems. We open Gem Options and we select the table placement. Now we go to the related commands and select Prongs Row. We modify the depth to 0.5 because it is through the shoulders of the ring. We are gonna modify the prongs to 0.5, the prong thickness, the height to 0.1 and move horizontal to 0.15. We go to the related and select Channel Cutter. It will pre-select the gem on curve. Here we are just to modify the caps to 0.3. We press Related and select Mirror to follow with a Boolean difference of the channel cutter. So we go Tools, select Boolean Difference, select the ring, and we select the channel cutters. As you can see, here the cut is so close of the head, so we will move the gems, select gems on curve, edit, we go to options, disable both sides, and adjust the position to the start point to 0.018 and the end point to 0.108. We confirm, and the last step is mirror the gems and prongs of the side. So we go to the panel tools, we select mirror, we go to objects to mirror, and we select the gems and the prongs. We go to the panel mirror and we select mirror diagonal. Let's confirm, and there is. To finish, we can change the materials and grounds to see a rendering of our ring. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe us.